And while we're here, this Oregon G4 Gator cutting blade system, okay? On this underneath side, it's got tungsten reinforcement. It's gonna keep that blade sharper longer, okay? So when we're talking about service, couple grease zerks, real easy to blow out, keep that blade sharp. Now, while we're on this side of the mower, controls. Super, super simple. Warner electric PTO clutch, okay, for easy operation. You've got built-in choke into our throttle, so that thing's in and out super easy. And the lights built into the switch. Same switch used on our tractors for ease of parts and use. Okay, integrated park brake into our control levers. So as you push these out, I'm now in park. Super simple, no extra handle, no extra buttons, real easy operation.